Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by installing Git and Git LFS, because Unity projects often contain large binary assets that must be tracked correctly. Once done, create an empty GitHub repo and choose SSH or HTTPS. You'll pick SSH for convenience later. In Unity, enable visible meta files and set asset serialization to force text so merges work. Next, add a Unity-specific Git ignore that excludes library and temp and ensure you only plan to commit assets and project settings. Now, initialize the local repo to continue. You now initialize and prepare tracking. Run git init in your Unity project root, add a Git attributes file, and use Git LFS track for large asset types like asterisk, PSD asterisk, PNG asterisk, FBX. Once LFS is set, git add, Git attributes and git add the project files, then make your initial commit. After that, set the remote origin to the GitHub repo and push your chosen branch, typically main. Make sure project settings and assets show up on GitHub. This confirms your commits and LFS pointers uploaded correctly. You finish by cloning the repo to another machine and running git LFS pull so binaries arrive before opening Unity. Then open the project and let Unity re-import assets. Make a habit of creating feature branches for scenes and scripts, committing small, focused changes, often to reduce merge complexity. If you encounter merge conflicts, resolve the force text YAML files and meta files carefully, using Unity YAML merge or a three-way merge tool. Troubleshooting tip: if assets appear corrupted, check LFS pointers and rerun git LFS fetch plus.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.